I just found the best website for creating long AI videos. It even lets you use Sora 2 for free. It's called MagicLight AI, and it has seriously impressed me. Here's exactly how to use it to create Hollywood-level videos without having to pay anything. Step 1. Head over to MagicLight. First, go to MagicLight AI. I've linked it in the description so that you can sign up for a free account. Here, you'll be able to access Sora 2. For months, people complained that Sora 2 was impossible to access unless you had insider invites or could afford the high-tier pricing. MagicLight AI connects directly with Sora 2, giving creators free access through its online platform. You can create videos without watermarks, use them commercially, and the whole setup is browser-based, so there's no complicated software to install. Step 2. Access Sora 2. Once you're logged into MagicLight, the main dashboard loads up and you'll see a big section called Creation Center. Inside the Creation Center, you'll see different creative tools. The one we're using is called Image to Video. Click that. You'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Video Model. Click on that and choose Sora 2. Step 3. Upload image and add prompt. You can use a personal photo, a stock image, or even an AI-generated one from another tool. It doesn't matter as long as it's clear and visually interesting. Upload your image. Now, you'll see a text box asking for a prompt. This is where you tell the AI how to move the camera, what should happen, and what kind of mood you want. The more specific you are, the better the result. For example, we can type something like, "A woman in a cafe looks up from her notebook as the camera slowly pans toward the rainy window." That gives the AI direction for the action, the emotion, and the environment. You can also add mood words like calm, warm, or cinematic to shape the lighting and movement. Once your prompt looks good, choose your video length. 10 to 15 seconds works well for testing. Then select your resolution. 720 pixels is usually the default, but you can go higher if your account allows it. Finally, click Create Video. The system will take about 30 to 60 seconds to render, depending on your internet speed and the server load. Step 4. Review and download your video. While the video is rendering, you'll see a progress bar move across the screen. And when it's done, your cinematic video pops up in the preview window. Watch it carefully. Look at how the motion flows, how the lighting changes naturally, and how the camera seems to have real weight and direction. That's what I love about Sora 2. It's not a simple frame morphing model. It understands physics and perspective in a way that makes the result feel like a short film rather than an animated slideshow. If you like what you see, click Download. Your video saves instantly, and the output is watermark-free and includes commercial usage rights. That means you can post it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even use it in freelance projects. Step 5. Create story-based videos. Now that you've made a single cinematic clip, let's move up to full story videos. Go back to the Creation Center and open the Kids Story Generator. Don't be fooled by the name. This tool can handle any kind of story. You just need to give it a short idea to start from. Type something like, "A brave mouse finds the magical cheese of courage." That's your story seed. Under that, select your visual style. You can choose styles like Pixar or Studio Ghibli for a colorful animated look. The style you pick defines the art direction of your scenes. Then set your aspect ratio. If you want horizontal videos for YouTube, pick 16:9. If you're planning to post vertical videos for TikTok or Shorts, go with 9:16. You'll also pick your language. MagicLight currently supports more than 10, which is great for creators who make videos for global audiences. Next, choose your video model. The platform recommends Seed Dance Pro for storytelling videos because it handles motion and character consistency better across multiple scenes. Finally, you can add background music right away using the built-in library. All of the tracks are royalty-free, so you don't have to worry about copyright claims. Step 6. Generate storyboard and customize scenes. Once everything looks set, click Preview Storyboard. MagicLight now builds a full storyboard automatically. It writes a basic script, divides your story into scenes, and creates a still image for each one. Within a couple of minutes, you'll have a rough version of your story laid out like a digital comic strip. Now it's time to refine. Look through the images scene by scene. If one looks off or doesn't fit your story, click Regenerate Image to try again. If you want more control, edit the prompt for that scene using the Nano Banana Image Editor. It's basically a small built-in editor that lets you fine-tune the scene's details without starting over. Step 7. Animate and compile the video. Once every scene matches the vision you have in your head, click Next. This takes you to the animation phase. Here, you can animate all your scenes together or one by one. If you want quick results, pick Animate All. If you're after more control, go with Animate individually. That way, you can adjust the timing and pacing for each shot. When you animate, you can switch the video model again if you want to test differences, but Seed Dance Pro tends to give consistent results. Hit render and let it do its thing. The AI will bring every image to life with motion, depth, and camera movement. When your animations are ready, the clips automatically combine into a full video. Before exporting, check your titles, subtitles, and background music. Make sure your text matches the tone of the story and that the music timing feels natural. When you're happy with it, click Export. The tool processes everything into one finished video. Step 8. Create AI agent videos. The MagicLight AI agent is for people who want to make videos even faster without jumping between tools. It handles everything from writing to animation in one window. On the homepage, find the section labeled AI Video Agent. You'll see a simple text box. Type something like, "Create a 60-second motivational video about overcoming fear." Once you submit it, the AI instantly writes a script. You can edit it directly inside the same page. Then you'll pick your visual style, select characters, add voiceovers, and choose music. Every option is on one screen. It's simple and surprisingly fast. After you set everything up, click Generate Storyboard. The AI creates a full visual plan for your video and begins generating the scenes. Once you approve them, it moves straight to animation and rendering. Within about 10 minutes, you have a finished video ready to download. It can be a motivational clip, a story, or an explainer, whatever you need. When your video is done, download it and upload it to your favorite platform. If you're a creator running multiple social accounts, this is one of the fastest ways to scale without burning out. With MagicLight, you can create pretty much any kind of video that you want from just a few prompts and clicks. And the fact that it lets you access some of the best models like Sora 2 and Nano Banana is seriously impressive. Check out MagicLight using the link in the description and let me know what you think. What's the first video that you'll try to make with MagicLight? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.